Hey friends! In this video I'm going to be sharing another lettering your names lettering session. A while ago I put out a call on Instagram like I have done in the past asking for names if you guys wanted to see your names hand lettered. And so these are some of those names. I also asked if you would like to see a brush pen or the iPad and what specific pen you would like. And I try to go with like the majority, but the majority this time was, I think, definitely, I didn't add it up or anything, but it seemed like it was definitely Tombows, which I actually used in my last lettering your names video. So I thought that I would go with those of you who wanted to see an iPad video. The other reason for that is because I had a huge response. I think there were almost like 600 people that left their names, and so I thought that it would probably be best to do it on the iPad. That way I could get through more quicker, and also I wasn't using so much paper. So I tried to get through as many as I could. I set my phone to record, and I think I did it for about an hour, a little over an hour was the footage. And so I didn't even get through all of them. I think I got through about a third of them, but I did save them. This time I just screenshot all of your comments and I tried to go in order from who asked like first, and then just kind of went through in order, and I got through, like I said, about a third of them. So I will do probably 2 or 3 more videos of these in the future, and I'll just go off of those names before I ask again. That way kind of everybody has a chance to see their name if they wanted to. Because I did it this way, there definitely might be duplicates, so I'm sorry if you see a name a couple of times. I recognize some of your names from doing other videos that people have commented frequently, people who are really quick to respond to comments. And so sometimes I forget if I've done one already in this video, or if maybe I've done it in another video. And so I just kind of went in order, and hopefully I didn't miss any. Like I said, I just took a ton of screenshots and I just went through name by name. So hopefully I didn't miss any. And then I kind of tried to leave you guys a little second there to take a screenshot, because I know that a lot of you guys like to take screenshots when you see your name. So hopefully, even if you didn't leave your comment or your name, you might catch it in here, because like I said, there were a lot of names this time. So I am just going to let this play through here. I'm not going to chat the whole time, but let me know if you guys have any questions below, or what other types of videos that you would like to see. I am using my iPad Pro, I think, in this video. I can't see the whole iPad. I think it's the iPad Pro. I think it's the bigger one. And I'm also using the Rad and Happy calligraphy brush, which I use pretty much all the time if I'm using a brush style lettering. So I will leave the link for that in the description box below. It's totally free, but I just get a lot of questions about it whenever I do iPad videos. So you can download it on her website for free, and she has instructions there. So if, like I said, if you have any questions or any video ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for leaving your names for me to letter, and I hope you like this video. If you are not already following me on Instagram, that is usually where I do the call for names. So if you would like to follow me over there, you can find me. It is just at How to Hand Letter. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!